Guys, today I'll be doing a segment called 2 Cars a Day, in which I'll review 2 cars in a day. So let's start off with a 67 Austin minivan. As you can see, I already opened this one. So this van has a very nice design. The top has a British flag on it. The wheels are really colorful. I really like them. So as you can see, it's made in Malaysia. 67 Austin minivan. What I don't like about this one is, if you can see this, there's a miscast or a hole at the back. I don't know what happened. Maybe because of a bad cast due to bad cast. And see, it's pretty nice overall. The paint, there's some scratches coming out of the box. Again, Hot Wheels, maybe because of cost cutting. So overall, it's pretty nice. Bought this at for 129 pesos. The next one, I found this at a thrift shop. It's a Matchbox Chevrolet Avalanche. So it's a different variant. It's a red variant. Ace for Ace Hardware. Yes, I think that's for Ace Hardware. It already has some paint chips. It's pretty light. It has a plastic casting and metal body. So no suspension. See the front, no tampos. The Hot Wheels 67 Austin also has no suspension. I really like both of these cars. This is one few I've opened. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. Please do like and subscribe. I've got lots more to share. Okay, bye.